A hearty welcome to all our newly admitted students and their esteemed parents. I hope you all had an enjoyable and energizing experience during the ice-breaking sports session. We now commence the most pivotal part of today's program, the academic orientation. I'm Dr. Sania Anis, Assistant Professor from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, and I'll be your host for this session. To begin with, I would request all the dignitaries to take their seats on the dais. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor Anand Srivastava Sir, Registrar Sir, Kushal Saini Sir, Dean, Academic, Dean, Student Welfare. Please come, sir. To formally inaugurate the orientation, I request all the dignitaries to kindly proceed for the lamp lighting ceremony. And also, I would like to request if a student's parent can also come and help in the light lamping ceremony. Anyone please volunteer?
Preferably mother.
Or a father. Anyone please come. Thank you. Now I request Professor Shampa Chakravarti, Dean Student Welfare, to open the ceremony.
Good morning, all of you. Welcome to our campus. Today morning, when just in front of my house, there is a school. And I have a good view because I live on the second floor, and I have a good view of the entire school playground, the assembly hall. And it is always such a pleasing experience to see the boys and girls running around, very energetic. And despite the rains, they collected in the assembly, and they were shouting and full-throated. They were singing Vande Mataram, Om Bhur Bhuvatsvaha, the prayers, and many slogans, Bharat Mata Ki Jai and all that. It's always energizing for me. That's a sight to behold. And now that you have come to, so I'm sure it rings a bell with all the students here who have just passed out of school. The way you are in the assembly, the way you shout at the top of your voices. Sur mein ho ya na ho, shout zarur karna hai. Right? And that's the spirit. When you come to college, you have a lot of independence. You have scope for introspection. You have scope for experimentation. You have a scope to, make your own choices and not always be handheld. Even we teachers are not called teachers, we are called lecturers. Our job is to give the lecture. You have to learn by yourself, right? So the only thing that doesn't change from school to college is that love for country, is that commitment that we have towards our country, right? That is something that doesn't change ever in our lives. So welcome all of you. I'm very glad to open the ceremonies for today. Thank you.
To commence the proceedings, it is my great honor to invite a visionary leader whose insights and direction shapes the future of our university. I now invite Professor Anand Srivastava sir, Honorable Vice Chancellor, to kindly deliver the welcome address and share his thoughts with our new students and their families.
Thank you very much, and good morning, all of you. This is orientation day 2. So I had given my welcome speech today. It is going to be repeat. The message is going to be, it will be repeated. So, so people sitting in the front bench can take a nap for 1 minute or 5 minutes. Because they have heard it. In 24 hours, the message will not change. Okay, at the outset, let me welcome every one of you to this great institution, NSUT. Students, today is your first day of joining this university. It's a beginning of a journey of transformation from a school-going kid to a professional, to an innovator, to a leader of tomorrow. To the parents, you have given your children to us, and I assure you that we will nurture them, grow them, tell them who they are, so that they grow professionally, spiritually, emotionally in their life. See, journey from school to college or university is both challenging as well as rewarding. In school, you might have done some mathematics, some physics, solved some equations, and that's it. Here you have to work on problems, real-world problems, once you graduate, so that you are able to contribute to the society at large. Having said this, normally I hear from children, what the choice of branch. Sometimes they say, I've got branch X, I was interested in Y. I've got this branch, I was interested in this. Let me tell you, things have changed. All the branches are equally interesting and have equal potential. Why I say this? Number one, all traditional branches, they're integrating with all modern technologies. Whatever you name, IoT, AI, smart, everything. All those conventional branches, they have this element. And this is an era of interdisciplinarity. The national education policy focuses on this fact that a child or a student should work across disciplines, right? Because the nature of the problem in the world is also changing. You have problems related to sustainability, you have problems related to climate action, green technologies. So conventional technologies will not work. You have to have the knowledge of other areas in order to solve those problems. So all the technology, or whatever discipline you have chosen, it has tremendous potential. And we also have a possibility in the sense, it is your right that you do major in particular degree and take some advanced 4 or 5, 6 or 6 courses in area for your choice, and you get specialization or minor in that area. So your spectrum actually widens, and you are ready to solve the problems of the world. I mean, take for example of a satellite mission, Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan. India has done very well in these technologies. Who designed the rocket satellite? Mechanical engineers. Who designed the control of that? Electrical engineer, electronics engineer. Who designed the fuel, or who said that this fuel is the best? Chemistry people or chemical engineering people. So, and then computer science, of course, they analyze the data, whatever the data they get. So everybody has to play a role. So a satellite launch, in a complex system like satellite, you require knowledge of all disciplines, right? And you have every choice or every occasion you will get to change from A to B, right? So this is regarding, branch. Now let me tell you, if you give few, advice to you. There are 5 C's, which I mentioned yesterday also. The number 1 is curiosity. You should be curious in the class. Ask why, how, what if, can I do it better? Can it be improved? Such kind of questions you have to ask in the class. The founders of Google, Larry Page, and there was one more guy, Sergey Brin, right? Yeah. They were engineering graduates like you. They were doing a project on search engine. They asked a question themselves, can I make it better? And today you know where the Google stands. So curiosity should always be there, number 1. Number 2, creativity. Because creativity will lead to innovation. In our curriculum, we see to it that we follow Bloom's taxonomy, which is actually, 6 stages of cognitive skills. Number 1, you have to remember certain formulas or certain equations, right? The second is understanding. You have to understand those formulas, how they have arrived at, how they have come. And then you should apply those formulas in solving certain problems. And then there is a step called analysis. You have to analyze what insight you get from the result, and then evaluate. And the last important thing is creativity. Whatever is taught to you, whether you are able to use that knowledge and convert into a product or process, that is where the ingenuity lies. So you should be able to transfer your knowledge, whatever you have understood in the class, to a product and service which was never discovered earlier, something new, which is helping the society. So the third C is collaboration. See, it is going to be teamwork. Your projects will be team. You participate in the societies or clubs, is going to be team event. You participate in sports, is going to be team event. So you should learn how to collaborate with each other, with your peers. The fifth C is you should be, compassion. Compassion to yourself as well as to your colleagues. Show respect to teachers, to staff, to your peers, and empathy. I mean, you are smart, fine, but we want to make you human. Both are two different things, right? So these are some of the advice I wanted to give. And also, when you are doing engineering, don't study engineering, do engineering. You should look for opportunities where you get a chance to work in the lab, participate in hackathon, participate in competition. See, engineering is not only reading books, right? Whatever you have learned, it has to be converted into some useful product. That is what engineering is. And second is failure. Don't be afraid of failure. Any successful engineer has failed a number of times before he has succeeded. So after failure, you should bounce back, reflect, and then further grow. I don't know how many of you have seen the last test match, which was in Old Trafford, Manchester. On the fourth day, I'm sure the boys, at least particularly the boys, they are interested in cricket, but girls are also equally interested, right? On the fourth day, India was 0 for 2, 0 runs, and 2 of their batsmen were back in the pavilion. And they had some 340 runs to make, 340 odd runs. And the pitch was behaving nasty. It was fourth day pitch. But our batsmen showed grit, determination. There was a failure in the beginning, but you know, Shubham Gill and Jadeja, KL Rahul, Washington Sundar, they all showed grit. They scored century, and India drew the match, which was like a win. I mean, anybody would have said after 0 for 2 that India will be bundled out within 100 and will lose the match on the fourth day itself. But these batsmen had different ideas, right? And also, I want to advise that you should think beyond academics. There are a lot of activities which happen in the college. Societies are there, sports tournaments are there. So you should see yourself beyond academics. It depends on the individual. He will work, during night time and daytime he's enjoying. I mean, it differs from individual to individual, how you balance your sports or extracurricular activities and academics. And also, we are here to support you, to help you. Whenever you have any problem, please get in touch with our professors. We will have a few counselors in our team. Talk to them, share your problems, whether it is personal problem or academic problem, and you will get a solution out of it, right? So don't keep problem to yourself. Please share with others. And also I want to make it clear that there's no place of ragging, discrimination, or harassment in this university. The university norms are very, very strict. We have a zero tolerance policy on this. And finally, I want to thank all the parents. They have shown trust on NSUT, and we are sure that we will nurture your children in a better citizen of the country. To all the students, this time is your time. India is at the cusp of greatness. We are progressing in every field. Very soon we will be, by 2030, we will be 3 trillion economy, right? So there are a lot of opportunities for you. Make use of it. So I wish all the new entrants and their parents all the very best. And I hope that you will have a wonderful 4 years, 4 years of laughter, learning, and discovery. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring words and for sharing your invaluable vision with us. I now request a student to come up and present a token of appreciation to Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, as a gesture of our respect and gratitude.
Who is that student?
Yes. Volunteer? There. It's
You had chosen him earlier, or he
Sir,
came?
I did speak.
That's the confidence. He's doing it for the first time.
Next, I would like to invite someone who ensures the smooth functioning of our university with his strong leadership and discipline. Please welcome our Registrar, Lieutenant Colonel Ashish Agrawal, to address the gathering.
Honorable Vice Chancellor, sir, the dignitaries present on the dais, all the heads, deans, colleagues, parents, and my dear students. A very good morning to you all, and heartiest congratulations to one and all, to the team NSUT to have developed something which has made all of you lay faith in the university, to all the parents who have groomed their children in a manner that they have proved themselves to be good students as well as capable persons who have acquired that distinction of joining this university. And last but not the least, the students themselves who have proven that they are good. But that is not the end. Having proven that you have been good students, now lies the road ahead where you have to prove yourself to be good citizens as well. That is very important. So take your journey in the couple of years which lay ahead in a manner that you take up all the challenges which come across in the right spirit. One thing I would like to emphasize here is, I think already brought out by the Dean Student Welfare as the Honorable Vice Chancellor. One is regarding the Indian culture. So the Dean Student Welfare spoke about some slogans and all. So the Indian culture, as a citizen of India, you have to uphold that culture. That is very important. And in line with that, the second point is that I would request all of you to go through the education policy, the NEP of 2020. It is only the academicians who actually go through that policy. However, the parents and the students, if they really go through that, you will see that what kind of a vision lays in that policy, and also it will open your eyes and enlighten you how to proceed ahead with your academics. And also, another important thing is that you must also focus and go through in the very beginning the various rules and regulations of the university. It is very important at times we make assumptions about various things. However, if you have a clarity on these, it will make your journey in the university very simple and comfortable, and you will not face very strong challenges. Yes, challenges will be there. The stronger they are, the stronger you become. However, having an idea about the functioning of the university in all matters, not just academic as well as administrative, is very important. And I'm sure your departments are there to guide you, your faculty members are there, your teachers are there. So you, as already brought out, you have to really go back to them and clarify any doubts if you have. Thank you all. Congratulations once again. Good day. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and for assuring our students of the strong support system that awaits them. I would request a student to come and give token of regard to our registrar, sir. You can come next. It's now time to delve into the future of higher education. I invite Professor Smriti Srivastav, Dean Academics, to guide us through the new education policy-based curriculum and what it means for students in the coming years.
Good morning, everyone. A very warm welcome to all the newly admitted students here and also the parents. We are very delighted to join this academic community to delve more into learning, discovery, and growth. So my presentation would be on, as Registrar Sir said, it would be more on your syllabus and scheme. And you know that with the National Education Policy, which was actually started in 2020, we have developed our curriculum and course framework according to the National Education Policy. You know what is National Education Policy and when did it start actually? So National Education Policy was actually, was framed by a committee which was constituted by this President of India, and the committee was headed by Dr. K. Kasturi Ranjan, who was actually the ISRO chief. So this was actually presented on May 19, 2019, and then after that, after so much of discussion and deliberations, finally it was passed in the cabinet on July 29, 2020. So now it's been 5 years that the policy is everywhere in the country. So we have also adopted this NEP policy, and we have tried our best to include whatever has been asked in NEP 2020 regarding syllabus. So this is a brief, I will tell you what are the key highlights of NEP 2020. Increased accessibility, multidisciplinary approach. So we have also, to increase the National Education Policy says to increase the gross enrollment ratio in higher education from 26.3 to 50% by 2030.
So I have to go to other campus also. We have 2 more campuses. So I'll be going there. So I'll take leave. And once again, I wish you all the best. Please continue.
क्या चीज़? Sorry for the interruption, but I'll continue. So, multidisciplinary approach. NEP says the educational institutions should have multidisciplinary approach, means that they should be teaching some courses which are multidisciplinary apart from your regular discipline courses. So the universities and colleges will offer wide range of subjects across different fields, allowing the students to study subjects like science, technology, and arts within the same institution. So we have adopted this multidisciplinary approach. Then flexibility and autonomy. So the policy introduces multiple entry and exit points, enabling the students to pursue education at their own pace. This means that a student can exit any time during the 4-year tenure, but then the student have to inform the authorities, and then he or she can take entry anytime. So it's at his or her own pace. And institutions will have more autonomy, promoting excellence and innovations. Then research and innovation. The policy emphasizes research and innovation, encouraging collaboration between faculty and students to drive academic excellence. So we have adopted this research and innovation, and each and every department has lots of, all our faculty are doing lot of good research and in collaboration with students. So students are encouraged to take part in these academic research activities. Then internationalization. Top foreign universities will be allowed to set up campuses in India, and Indian universities will be encouraged to establish as campuses abroad. So then vocational education, and then teacher development. So the policy emphasizes about for the teacher also, not only for the student. So it says that teacher training and development is a must, ensuring that educators are equipped, well equipped to provide high quality education. With these words, I will be talking, my colleague, Dr. Tarun Rawat, who is Associate Dean Academics, will focus more on our curriculum and credit framework in NSIT. So as NEP 2020, it aims to create more innovative and inclusive and globally competitive higher education system in India. We have also adopted this, and let us present the overview of this curriculum and credit framework of our system here in NSUT. So I invite Dr. Tarun Rawat to further discuss this.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, madam. We have BTech in 12 branches, in main campus, east campus and west campus. We have B design and some PG programs also. And SUT BTech course nomenclature. In our curriculum, we have core courses, elective courses. Elective courses are of 3 kinds here. Discipline-specific core courses, interdisciplinary core courses, and skill development courses. Elective courses are of 3 kinds: discipline-specific electives, interdisciplinary electives, and multidisciplinary electives. Interdisciplinary electives are electives of the other engineering branches. Multidisciplinary electives are the courses of non-engineering branches like physics, chemistry, maths, and management. And we have discipline-specific electives. These electives are the elective courses of the major branch which you have opted for. Foundation core course we have. These are the courses which will be studied by all the branches during the first year. In this category, courses are science and mathematics foundation core courses, interdisciplinary foundation core courses, ability enhancement courses, community engagement and service course. Value addition course, during the study of 4 years, you have to study 3 value addition courses in first semester, third semester and fourth semester. And summer internship, project and dissertation. Course codes, I am skipping it. We will conduct orientation of all the branches from 5th semester onwards, how to opt the electives and how to opt the minors. Okay, so these are just branch code, course code. I am skipping this one, no need. This is the one. In first semester, you will study, look at the first row, semester 1. You will study 1 value-added course, 5 foundation core courses. Value-added courses are non-credit courses, but you have to pass it mandatorily to get the degree. If you fail in one of the course, then you will not get the degree. So there is a 1 value-added course, 5 foundation core courses. Each course is of 4 credits, So in the first semester, we have 20 credits. Second semester, 3 foundation core courses and 3 discipline-centric core courses. Branch-specific core courses, basically. So there are 6 courses, total 24 credits. In third semester, again, you have 1 value-added course, 5 discipline-centric core courses, and 1 is community engagement and services. This is of 2 credits. Community engagement and service course, you have to enroll it from the first semester. You have to devote 80 hours for the community engagement services during your summer vacations or during Sundays and Saturdays. It will be evaluated at the end of the third semester. So here it is of 2 credits. So there are 6 courses, 5 courses of 4 credits each, and 1 community engagement course is of 2 credits. You have 22 credits here. In fourth semester, we have 1 value-added courses again. This one is the third one, value-added course, 5 core courses, total 6 courses of 20 credits, 5 courses of 4 credits each, and 1 value-added course. So in first 4 semester, total are 86 credits. There is no elective here till now. 5th semester onwards, elective courses starts. In 5th semester, you have 4 core courses. Students may opt 3 more courses. Total maximum 7 courses. Out of those 3 elective courses, 1 elective is of EM category. EM is multidisciplinary elective. And remaining 2 courses, it may be ED, discipline-centric elective, or interdisciplinary elective, or you may choose multidisciplinary elective also. So minimum 4 courses, student has to register minimum 4 courses, 4 core courses. Maximum 7 courses, so range of credit is 16 to 28. So flexibility starts from the 5th semester, okay? And here, from this 5th semester onwards, you may plan to get the minor degree also. What does it mean? If you are a mechanical engineering student and you want to get the minor degree in computer science or artificial intelligence, then you have to clear the 4 elective courses from that minor area, okay? So you may start from the 5th semester onwards. 6th semester, we have 3 core courses. Maximum, you can opt for 7 courses, so 3 plus 4, 4 is the elective courses. Again, discipline-centric elective, interdisciplinary elective, and multidisciplinary electives, you may opt. So maximum 28 credits are there in the 6th semester. In 7th semester, there is no core course. Only we have, in 7th semester, we have summer internship, summer training, and project as a core course. Summer training is of 2 credits, and project is of 4 credits. So 6 credits is the minimum you will register for. Remaining courses are of elective courses. In 8th semester, we have major project, that one is of 8 credits, and you can go maximum for this 28 credits. We also offer NPTEL-based courses, online-based courses. If a student wants to go for internship, industry internship during 7th or 8th semester, he may plan accordingly. What does it mean? He has to register for 174 credits, and to get the degree, you have to earn 164 credits. So you may plan accordingly. If you want to free yourself in the 8th semester, to choose maximum credits during 5th, 6th, and 7th semester, okay? If you want to go for internship during 7th semester, accordingly opt for the credits during 5th, 6th, and 8th semester, okay? You may opt some online courses also, approved online courses during 7th and 8th semester during your internship also. Okay, so there is a flexibility as per NEP. So total 172 credits is here. I explained these things to you. Now come to the evaluation and assessment. Courses are of two kinds, one which have tutorials and another courses have practical component. So if a course has tutorial, means theory with tutorial, 20 marks is mid-semester examination, 50 marks is for end semester examination, and 30 marks for continuous assessment. And these 30 marks has been broken into these three parts: internal assessment 1, internal assessment 2, and TA, 10, 10, 10. Basically, these are basically class test 1, class test 2. Okay. 24 mid-sem, 54 end-sem. Courses with practical, 20 marks for mid-semester examination, 50 for end semester, and 30 marks for continuous assessment of practical components. Project 1, which is in the 7th semester, it is of 4 credit, 40 marks internal, basically continuous assessment part, and 60 external. Training is of 100 marks. Project 2, which is in the 8th semester, it is of 8 credits, 40 internal and 60 external. Workshop-based courses, its distribution is 2 lectures per week and 2 laboratories. That is 4 hours laboratory and 2 hours theory. Okay, its evaluation is 50 for end semester examination, theory, 30 marks for continuous assessment, and 20 marks external practical examination. End semester practical examination is of 20 marks. So workshop-based course has 20 marks end semester practical examination. Except this workshop-based course, practical is basically continuous assessment, no external examination, okay, no end-term examination. Online MOOC courses, 12-hour online NPTEL course is of 4 credits. 8-week online NPTEL course is of 3 credits, and 4-week online NPTEL course is of 2 credits. So for 4 credits, you have to register in 12-week online NPTEL course, not 8-week online NPTEL course. But the value-added courses which we are offering during the first 4 semesters, out of those 3, first semester we teach you sports yoga, 4th semester also is sports and yoga alternatively, and 3rd semester VA course is online NPTEL. That VA course, value addition course, is you may opt it for this 8-week course, 8-week online NPTEL course, VA course. But other courses which are credit based, they must be 12 weeks. Community engagement and services, it is a continuous assessment only, no examination, 100 marks. Audit courses, VA courses and basically, value addition courses. I have told you about this assessment. For theory-based courses, 30 marks, class test 1, class test 2, and assignments, teachers, assessment, quiz, attendance, etc. Theory with practical courses also have 30 marks, continuous assessment. All these I have explained to you. Okay, this is important, students. To get the degree, you have to register for 172 credits. Registration means you have to enroll for the courses, have to attend the classes, and give exam. Okay? If you fail due to detention, then it will not be counted towards the registration. Okay? So you have to attend the classes. So you have to register for 172 credits. And to get the degree, minimum CGPA is of 5. If you have registered for 72 cadets and earn 164 cadets, but your CGPA is less than 5, then you will not eligible to get the degree. Professor Khushil will explain this one in detail. You have to clear the project 1, 2, and training mandatorily. VA courses, value addition courses, okay? 3 value addition courses have to be passed. We have, as per NEP, we have exit policy also. Student may exit after first year, second year, third year. And if you exit after fourth year, you will get the degree, BTech degree. If you exit after third year, you will get BWalk. If you exit after second year, you will get advanced diploma. And after first year, you will get a certificate. Okay? Exit 4 may, you may get just degree, BTech degree if you earn 164 cadets. If you earn 184 cadets, you will get BTech honors, okay? And the student may earn up to a maximum of 212 cadets. It includes online courses also. Attendance, student is very strict, 100%. 25% relaxation will be for those students who take parts in extracurricular activities only. So attendance should not be less than 75%. Semester-wise scheme. First semester is important for you right now. So we have, during first semester, we have 5 foundation core courses and 1 value-added course. This is a audit course. So total, we are 20 cadets. These are the course type as per NEP 2020 and as per AICT. Some multidisciplinary or SMF, Science and Mathematics Foundation courses are there, and Ability Enhancement course is also there, English. Okay. Semester 2, you will study 3 foundation core course and 3 core courses. These 3 core courses are related to your major branch. So from second semester onwards, you will study the courses which are relevant to your branch. Third semester, we have all core courses. 2 credit is for community engagement and service. Fourth semester, we have all core courses and 1 value-added course. Fifth semester onwards, electives start. And we offer minors also for the students. As I have told you that if you are a electrical engineering student, then you may opt, you may get the minor in computer science or you may get the minor in VLSI branch, but you have to clear the 4 elective courses. You have to earn 16 credits from that basket of electives, okay? So these are the mechanical engineering department offers these 2 minors. Biotechnology offers minors in health technologies, agriculture and environment technologies. Instrumentation and control department offers minors in these 3 areas. Computer science engineering department offers minors in software design and development, artificial intelligence, data science. Electronics and communication engineering department offers minor in 3 areas. Electrical engineering also in 3 areas, IT department in 2 areas, and BBA offers minors in data analytics, sustainable business, and entrepreneurship. Fifth semester, we have 4 core courses. Sixth semester, you have 3 core courses, remaining electives. Seventh semester, only internship and project 1. Eighth semester has project only as a core course of 8 credits, remaining elective courses. Thank you, students. Thank you, parents.
I'm just taking some time from Dr. Sania. Please listen carefully to whatever is being said here. I would request you to bear with us and have some patience. We would really appreciate. It might get a little bit boring at some point of time, but it's very essential because later on you will we keep on having complaints or we are somebody to understand, So I just request both parents as well as students to remain here and listen to everything carefully. Thank you so much for your patience.
Now I would like to request a student volunteer to give token of appreciation to our Dean Academics, Professor Smriti Srivastava ma'am, and Professor Tarun Rawat sir, Associate Dean. 2 tokens. Presentation. Kushal sir. One more token, please. एक और है ना? Thank you. Now I would like to invite Mr. Kushal Saini sir, Controller of Examination, to explain examination procedure, evaluation system, and academic integrity guidelines.
Good morning to all of you. First of all, I congratulate you on getting an entry into one of the esteemed institution of India. Now, Professor Smriti Srivastava and Professor Tarun has informed you what courses in which semester you are going to study. And once you have studied some courses, there is a turn to judge how much you have learned. And there comes my turn. In our NSUT, the academics is divided into 2 major semesters. One is odd semester, which runs from August to December, and then comes even semester, January to May. Then there is a smaller semester, which is mainly meant for those who are not able to clear some papers of their odd semester or even semester. So those students, they are given an opportunity to register for backlog courses in a summer semester, which is a 2-month semester and runs at a faster pace. In each semester, as already informed by Dean Academics, evaluation is done mainly on 3 components. One is continuous assessment, which can comprise of test quizzes based on the tutorials or based on the practicals. And then mid-semester examination, normally after 1.5 months of your beginning of the semester, and then the end semester examination. So the courses in our NSUT system, majorly they are divided into 2 categories. One is, this is major division. There are some other courses also. I am telling you about the courses which are mainly of 4 credits. So lecture, tutorial and practical. So if there are 3 hours of lectures and no tutorial and two labs of 2 hours each, means 302, then that will be 1 lab of 2 hours, then that will become a 4 credit course, 302. So this has a practical component, and in that we will have mid semester, end semester, and then internal assessment based upon the practicals. Mid semester 20 marks, end semester 50 marks. The other type of course is having a LTP distribution as 310. 3 lectures per week, 1 hour tutorial. The difference in the tutorial and a lecture will be that in tutorial, the class strength will be half. So if there are 80 students, then in tutorial there will be 40 students, which will result in more one-to-one interaction with your teacher. So problem solving, doubt clearing sessions, they are covered in the tutorial part. Now, what are the criteria to pass a course? The first criteria is that you should be eligible to appear in a paper. Means if you are short of attendance, then you are not allowed to appear in the paper. Whether it is a mid-semester or end semester. In mid-semester, we issue a warning that you are running short of attendance, please make it up. And even if you don't take care and end up before the end semester short of attendance, you are not allowed to appear in the exam. So it is the responsibility of parents to make sure that their wards, they do not fall short of attendance. It is a very strict policy here. 100% attendance should be there. 25% relaxation will be on various reasons, medical grounds or activities, co-curricular activities. These are the authorized activities in which you are participating from the institute perspective. To pass, it is mandatory to appear in the end semester examination. If you are not able to appear for any reason, say you are ill, then if you look at the marks distribution, the end semester component is of 50 marks only. Means in rest of the 50 marks, you might have obtained say 45, 48, and that will be sufficient to pass. No. To pass, you have to appear in the end semester examination. Then the marks obtained, total marks obtained by you should be more than the lower grade cutoff for D grade. The grade cutoffs here we award in your examination, in continuous evaluation, you will be given marks, but NSUT system gives you grades. Examination system finally gives you grades. So your marks are converted into grades, and the lowest passing grade is D grade. So at some marks, you will get a D grade or higher. So if your marks are less than that value, then you will get failed. And this grading can be of two type, relative grading or absolute grading. That depends upon the class strength. If in a class, the number of students are less than 30, then absolute grading is applicable, else relative grading is applicable. So in most of the cases in BTech, relative grading will be applicable. In other degrees like MTech, MA, the students are lesser. So there, in some courses, they may have absolute grading. Very important to note, there is no makeup examination for the mid-semester or end semester. So if you miss the examination for any reason, you are ill, you are not able to reach on time for the examination, sorry, there will not be any makeup examination. Value-added courses. In BTech, we have value-added courses in first semester, in third semester, in fourth semester. All these courses are of 0 credit, but these are mandatory to pass. Your degree comprises of minimum 172 credits, that if you want to obtain a degree, then you should have registered for 172 credits. It includes those 0 credit VA courses also. Even if you have scored grades for the 172 credits, means you have obtained 172 credits, but you are failed in one of the VA course, you are not eligible for the degree. So it is mandatory that you take care from the beginning that you should not fail in any of the 0 credit course. Now, scrutiny of evaluation. After your examination is over, in NSUT, we allow the students to see their evaluated answer booklets. For mid-semester, a teacher will check the copies and will show the copies in the class itself in around 15 to 20 days or maximum 1 month of end of the mid-semester examination. But in case of end semester examination, teacher will check the copies, will announce a date, and those students who are interested, they will come on the announced date and time and the venue and can see their copy. Because we are showing you the evaluated answer booklets, there is no provision of re-evaluation. When we are showing you the copy, at that time, if you observe that there is an error in totaling or some question is unchecked, then that problem, that issue can be resolved at the same time by the concerned teacher. But if you argue that in this question you should have obtained 4 marks, why have you given you 2 marks? Then teacher will give you the justification, but there are very less chances that your 2 marks will get upgraded to 4. So retotaling will be there, unchecked questions will be checked, but other than that, depending upon the issue, teacher may don't take care of your issue. Now, you are allowed to check the copies, you are allowed to raise the issues with your teacher, but if you are not satisfied by the reasoning given by your teacher, then you can raise the issue with the chairperson of course coordination committee. Every course, there is a course coordination committee. One course is running in, one single course might be running in 3 different sections or across all the branches. So there is one course coordination committee and that is headed by a chairperson. So if a student is not convinced by the checking done by the concerned teacher, he can submit a grievance with the course coordination committee chairperson. Once this the grievance has been addressed at the course coordination committee chairperson, no further objection can be submitted by you at any level. These are the grade points and the grades. Outstanding, that gets a 10 grade point, and D, it gets a 4 grade point. Below that, fail, absent, fail due to detention, all these are of 0 grade point. We award you grades based upon your total marks out of 100. And already informed you that less than 30 we will have a more than 30 absolute, less than 30, more than 30 relative, less than 30 absolute. This is the table for the absolute grading. So to pass in a class of less than 30 students, one has to score 35 marks. Less than 35, you will fail in the course. So rest are already defined there. Now this is a simply translation of the marks into grades. But in a relative grade, what is done, that we compute the mean and standard deviation of the marks obtained by all the registered students in that course. So if say I take the example of first year, there is a maths course is registered by each and every student of BTech first year. This grading will be across the university. But when you reach to third year, fourth year, then there will be a course which will run in your specialization only. Then in that case, the grading will be among the students of your specialization only. So here what we do, we compute the mean, we compute the standard deviation, and then mean plus 0.5 SD, mean plus 1 SD, mean plus 1.5 SD. Similarly, mean minus 0.5 SD, mean minus 1 SD, mean minus 1.5 SD. These values, they decide the grade cutoffs. So D grade cutoff, lower D grade cutoff will be mean minus 1.5 SD. Okay, so this is dynamic. So it depends if there is some lenient marking in a paper, mean will increase. So D grade cutoff, here like it is shown, lower it is coming out 40.86 mean minus 1.5 SD. So there is some boundings also. Sometimes what happens, mean plus 1.5 SD may cross 100. It means nobody will get O grade, but that is not the case. We have defined the boundaries. So if mean plus 1.5 SD, it crosses, here also it is mean plus 1.5 SD, it is 99 point something something. Means the person who will get 100, that person will get the O grade, but it is not the case. There is a bounding that anybody who scores more than 95, he or she will get the O grade. Okay, so these things are explained in the regulations, BTech regulations, which are available on our NSUT website. Now, promotion to the next year. For promotion from even semester to the odd semester, means from first year to the second year, one has to attain minimum number of credits of one semester. So if first semester is of 20 credits, second semester is of 24 credits, then the minimum number of credits in a semester is 20. Means in first year, out of 44 credits, one has to score 20 credits. That 20 credits might be distributed in the 2 semesters. 12 in first semester, 8 in second. 8 in first semester, 12 in second, or all the 20 in first semester and somehow you failed all the papers of second semester. Means minimum number of credits of one semester out of the odd and even of 1 year you have to score to get promoted to the next year. There is no supplementary examination. We in CBSE 12th class, if you fail in one paper, after around 2-3 months, there is supplementary examination. We don't have that mechanism here. If a student fails in a core course, then the student has to pass that core course mandatorily, that same core course. However, the student fails in an elective course, like a VA course, open elective, department specific elective, then student may clear the same course or has the option to clear some another elective course in place of that. So in elective you can opt for any other course, but in core course the same course has to be cleared. Now this is the screenshot of the admit card. All of you might have already submitted your course registration in UMS. You must have taken the printout of that and you will submit that course registration form to your registration officer. Registration officer, and now you might have opted for, you might have given the preference number to the VA courses. There are 2 VA courses, sports 1 and yoga. Some of you might have given yoga as preference 1, some of you might have given sports 1 as the preference 1. Then we will allot you, and the allotted, all the foundation core courses along with this VA course, that will be approved by your registration officer. Now we will force you before the mid semester that you please check your registered courses to generate the admit card which you need to carry to the examination hall. The courses which appear in the admit card, for those courses only marks entry can be possible in the system. So sometime when the elective comes, student do not do the proper registration in the system and they do not take care that whether that elective course is appearing in the registration, this admit card or not. and then what happens at the end of the semester, then they realize this is not there and marks entry is not feasible. They run from one office to the another office to get it resolved. So please take care that whichever courses you are studying, whether these are NPTEL courses, online courses, or the physical courses, training project, they should be visible in your admit card. And carrying an admit card to your examination hall is mandatory. So these are some important examination rules. First is you need to carry the examination admit card with you at the time of examination. You are not allowed to leave the examination hall until the half time is over. The most important thing is student must be seated in the examination hall 20 minutes before the start of the examination. Parents must ensure that the students who come from home, they should leave around by taking a sufficient cushion. There might be delay in metro, congestion on the road, but they should make sure that the student must reach the examination center 20 minutes before start. And lastly, no written material, handwritten, printed, or any electronic item, mobile phone, Bluetooth, these things are not allowed in the examination hall. And if some student takes these things in the examination hall and is caught by the squad, then unfair means case is lodged. And we have these rules for handling the unfair means cases. Depending upon the severity of the case, there may be just a warning, or student may get a 0 mark in the concerned component. Say a student is doing some indisciplined activity during the mid-semester and it is not very severe, he means he is not carrying the complete book with him, then in that mid-semester, student may get 0, mid-semester component. Or the complete paper may be cancelled, means mid-end everything will get 0. And if the student is repeating the mistake again and again, the complete semester may be cancelled or complete year may be cancelled. Okay, so these are some rules for handling the unfair means case, and we hope that this situation does not arise with your awards, and students must take care of these things. Okay, so that's all from my side, and wishing you a fulfilling and successful academic year. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the clarity about the examination and evaluation process. I would like to request a student volunteer to come up. We have one, you can go in the next one, okay? To come up and give Kushal sir a token of regards. Now I would like to invite Professor Sonika Bhatnagar ma'am, Dean Faculty of Sciences, to welcome you all and introduce the heads of respective departments, which are Physics, Chemistry and Mathematics.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome and congratulations to the bright new young faces over here. It's a big day for you and for us as well. I have two things to say to the new graduates. One, that don't be fooled by the humble facade of the buildings over here, the brick structures and the narrow corridors. Behind closed doors, some of the technologies of tomorrow are brewing over here. Take part, participate, and be part of our journey and enrich yours. Secondly, don't be overwhelmed by it, because the institutions are not made great by either the buildings or the infrastructure. They're made great by the people residing in them, the denizens of the institution, and at the moment that will be you. So please take advantage of that fact. With that, I would like to say that the first year engineering students, the postgraduate students, they're going to receive a very firm grounding in sciences, the maths, physics, and chemistry. And therefore, I'm very happy to welcome and introduce the very able pillars of strength of our sciences departments, Dr. Professor Vinod Kumar, HOD Department of Physics. Please give him a round of applause. Professor Sanjeevi Thakur, HOD Chemistry. Clapping, please. And Professor Vijay Gupta, HOD Maths. We welcome you. And I would like to say that as a faculty member of the Department of Biological Sciences and Engineering, I am happy to welcome the biotechnology students. We've planned an orientation. We'll talk in detail over there. Welcome to the HODs of FOS and Faculty of Science, and all of them will make a presentation each about their departments.
I would like to invite the head of Department Physics, Chemistry, and Maths to kindly come and take the seat at the dais. Thank you, ma'am, for your warm welcome and for introducing the Foundation Departments of Science. I would like a student volunteer to give a token of regard to ma'am. So also, can we have some active participation when students make a queue that who's be going next, because we'll have a lot of esteemed speakers amongst us. I would like to call upon now Professor Vinod Kumar, Head Department of Physics, to provide a brief overview of the department's initiatives and research focus.
PPT होगा? Yeah, introduction. Okay, yeah, fine. Physics. Thank you. Okay, good morning all of you. Respected faculty members, respected parents, dear students. On behalf of Department of Physics, I extend my warm welcome to all of you. Dear students, as you are entering your new academic journey here, we are excited to convey our best wishes to all of you, and we would like to present the opportunities and experience that the Department of Physics will offer to your students. Here at the Department of Physics, you will experience a bright community of scholars, mentors, faculty, staff members, and your peer groups who will guide you time to time in your way of journey here. So I would like to introduce the department from its vision and missions. Our vision is to develop a world-class center of excellence in the field of education, training, and research in the field of physics. Our mission is to give you a clear understanding of the physics and make your interest in the subject of sciences, and to develop the teaching and research in such a way that it is useful to the society and it is practically applicable to the students. It is job oriented. It is it is applicable, useful. The studies are useful to the society as well. So the Department of Physics was established in the year 1983. In the starting, it is under the aegis of School of Applied Sciences. It was created as a separate department in the year 2013. It offers the programs of BTech. The BTech in the first or second semester, there is a course of physics that you will study, all the engineering graduates. The Department of Physics also offers the MSc courses, PG courses, with an intake of 60 students, and more than 40 students are doing the PhD, doing research here for their doctorate degree. In the BTech courses, that most of the students are of engineering, so in the first or semester you will have a core course of, these are the three courses, and out of these you will have to choose one of them, depend upon your department. Okay, department specific courses are there. So it might be oscillations, waves and optics. It might be quantum mechanics. It might be introduction to electromagnetic theory, all with the LTP scheme of 302. Other than this, in some branches, like in mathematics and computing, the students are offered the course of applied physics with the same LTP. Similarly, in the biological sciences, there is a course of physics of materials. And in VLSI, there is a course of solid-state physics. All are having the LTP scheme of 302. For the PG students, here I think today also MSc Physics students are also there. So for the PG, we have in the total of 80 credit course of divided into 4 semesters. Each semester have 20 credits. And these credits, total 80 credits, are divided further into core courses, general elective courses, discipline-specific elective courses, and a few non-CGPA courses also that are mandatory as per the UGC guideline, that are ability enhancement courses and skill enhancement courses. So in addition to that, PhD, for the PhD students, these are the 5 subjects that they have to choose to complete the coursework, then further they have to do research and submit the thesis. These are the 11 regular faculty members of the Department of Physics: Professor O.P. Thakur, Dr. Vinod Kumar, myself, Dr. Anurag Gaud, Dr. Vinavta Singh, Dr. Harsh Yadav, Dr. Jihwa Jire Elhamar, Dr. Amit Sanger, Dr. Pargin Bangotra, Dr. Samiksha Dabas, Dr. Rahul Kumar, and Dr. Jitendra Singh, who are presently working as a regular faculty member. All are doctorate here, and many of them are the postdoctorate also. They have, all of these have good research profiles. And in addition to that, non-teaching staff are there: Dr. Dhyanand, Dr. Nikhil Jindal, Ms. Surbhi Agarwal, Mr. Jagnayan. They will assist you during the lab and day-to-day routine work of the department. These are the department a few of the department laboratories. The department office is running from the block 6, room number 232. And for BTech students, the physics labs are in the same block 6, room number 218 and 219. MSc Physics lab is in the same block 6, 232B. Research labs are room number 15, 16, 316 in the block 6. And there is one DST FIS lab, that project that we have got, that the lab is going to develop in the room number 233B. So most of the labs are in block 6 itself, second floor, mostly at the second floor. Then these are the major research areas that the students may, in future, they may interact with the faculty members of the department that we are doing in different fields. So in future, you may interact and discuss about these. And these are some of the ongoing research projects that the students which are interested, they may interact and contact, discuss with the faculty members to get involved in these. And thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I would request a student volunteer to come up and give a token of regard to Vinod Kumar, sir. Chemistry. Please welcome Professor Sanjeev Thakur Sir, Head Department of Chemistry, to talk about the department's curriculum, labs, and research activities.
है इसमें ऑलरेडी सबमिटेड कोई नहीं उसको रहने दो हाँ हाँ Good morning everybody, welcome you all and congratulations for getting admitted into one of the premier institutions of the country, and I congratulate the students as well as the parents, because they might have put in a better effort and they might have worked even harder than their wards. So congratulations and a big applause for all of you. And actually, I am representing the Department of Chemistry, and at the moment I am the head of the Department of Chemistry. This chemistry started right from the inception of the institution in 1983. The first batch started at 1987, I guess. Shampa ma'am might be knowing better. So, from then on, the chemistry did exist, but afterwards we changed our name into Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology in 98, and 2013 we became the Department of Chemistry. The department was actually created in 2013. Then onwards we could even give PhD awards to the students from University of Delhi till 2018. And after becoming a state university in September 2018, we have been giving degrees of PhD even to our students. And so far, if combined together, Delhi University and NSUT, at least 30 students have been awarded PhD from our department. This is something which I just wanted to share with you people. So after 2018, we have been growing exponentially in terms of everything: the number of faculty, the number of staff, the number of laboratories. At the moment, we have 3 professors, myself, Professor Sanjeev Thakur, Professor Anjana Sarkar. We too have already completed 33 years of teaching, and this is the 34th year. Professor Purnima Jain is another professor, 7 assistant professors, Dr. Sunita, Dr. Sushmita, Dr. Uma Narang, Dr. Nancy, Dr. Swapnil, Dr. Jugal Bori, Dr. Leena, and Professor Makin, Sanjeev Makin, is one of the eminent academicians who is an adjunct professor in my department. So this is about the faculty. Some more faculty members, 3 or 4, will be joining within 15 days next month on permanent positions of assistant professors. So they have been recruited recently. And about the UG and PG courses, I would like to emphasize that in the BTech level, we do play the role of supporting department by offering some of the papers like environmental sciences and green chemistry, and advanced organic chemistry and biotechnology. Ma'am is from biotech, and some more elective courses. but we also offer MSc, 2 years, and we have well-equipped laboratories for that. Some more places, small spaces are being utilized for instrumentation purposes, which help us in analyzing the samples, in characterizing the samples in terms of surface, in terms of stoichiometry, et cetera, And about the research activities, around 45 research students are presently here, out of which 8 of them are JRFs. UGC CSIR से उनको JRF fellowship मिलती है. In our institution also we have a pretty good amount for fellowship, and up to 4 years we pay the fellowship to our PhD students. So active research is going on as well, and we have hundreds of papers in the last 5 years, some patents as well, and the young faculty members are doing good research and meaningful research who have joined recently, and they are aspired by the students, do aspire for the youngsters. So with these words, I congratulate all of you once again, and I wish you all the best. I wish that the coming 4 years would be fruitful and productive. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request a student volunteer. Okay, you can come. Maths का बाबा. Next, let's hear from Professor Vijay Gupta, sir, Head Department of Mathematics. He will tell us about the important role of mathematics across. Yes, sir, please.
Good morning. I just tell you something about my department. My Department of Mathematics was established as an independent department in December 2013. Earlier it was under School of Applied Sciences, consisting of physics, chemistry, mathematics, and humanities and social sciences. Our courses are floated in all 3 campuses. These are the faculty members of mathematics departments. We have 3 professors, myself, Vijay Gupta, Professor J.K. Singh, Professor J. Jaina, Associate Professor Dr. Mamta Mishra, and we have 17 assistant professors in our department. Actually, mathematics is simple, easy, but you have to attend all the classes. Suppose you miss any class. कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, बच्चा क्लास में बैठा है, उसका ध्यान कहीं और है. वो सोच रहा है मैं जाऊंगा, यहाँ से बाहर जाऊंगा, पिज़्ज़ा खाने जाऊंगा या कैंटीन जाना है, उस बच्चे से मिलना है, शाम को पिक्चर देखनी है, मेट्रो से आना है. तो वो उसको क्लास में अगर नहीं है तो होना भी बेकार है. इसलिए क्लास में अगर बैठे हो आप तो क्लास अटेंड करो, नहीं बैठना है तो चले जाओ. तो इसलिए मेरा ये कहने का है कि अगर आप क्लास में आ रहे हो तो रेगुलरली क्लास अटेंड करो, अदरवाइज कोई मीनिंग नहीं हुआ, है ना. मैंने थोड़ा लेक्चर दे दिया. देखो, ये these are the some of special courses in which our faculty members are doing research, and these are their specializations. Myself is approximation theory. There are other areas: cosmology, gas dynamics, complex optimization, biomechanics, operator theory, numerical analysis, and numerical solutions of partial differential equations. In first 2 semesters, we have common courses of mathematics. in all 26 sections. 19 sections are in main campus, 4 in East campus, and 3 in West campus. So there are 26 sections. The course will be common for first semester as well as for second semester. After second semester, the courses of mathematics are branch specific. So we have some of the courses are advanced engineering mathematics, probability and statistics, optimization, financial mathematics, linear algebra, etc. There are some other courses too. We have also MSc program with intake of 60 students per year. Also, we have PhD program in mathematics. At present, 29 research scholars are working in our department. 24 PhD students have completed PhD from mathematics department so far. And we have 679 research publication from mathematics faculty. Total publication during January to June 2025 by the faculty members of department is 31. Total research projects are 3. Invited talks, conferences, and foreign visits. These data is for only from faculty members. And other than these, there are students also who are attending these conferences and foreign visits. Like we have agreement with University of Bacău also, Romania. And that's all. You can visit anytime to me or my faculty members. You can meet. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir and ma'am, for giving us a brief idea about the Faculty of Science departments. You can take your place on this. Now we'll call the different. Thank you. Achha, yeah. I would like a volunteer, student volunteer, to give a token of regard to Vijay Gupta, sir. Thank you, sir. We now move on to the Faculty of Information and Communication Technology. I invite Professor M.P.S. Bhatia, sir, Dean FICT, to welcome the students and introduce the respective heads of departments. I also like to invite Professor Sushma Nagpal, ma'am, and Professor Dharmendra Upadhyay, sir, to take the seat on the dais.
Good morning, everybody. On behalf of NSUT family, I welcome all the students who have taken admission to NSUT, plus the parents, proud parents who are here. First of all, let's give a big round of applause to all the students. It's the hard work which people have done and have taken admission here. I do remember that the JEE rank, the total number of the students which this year has appeared has crossed approximately 12 lakhs. And out of that, the student which are admitted to NSUT is top 1 percentile, right? So we are thankful that you have chosen NSUT as for your 4 years. Plus we have MBA students also sitting, plus we have a couple of other students from MSc and MA also. So before I go ahead, I will tell about my department and the faculty. We have, in this faculty, we have two departments. One is Computer Science and Engineering department, IT, and Electronics and Communication. The Computer Science and Engineering plus IT is being handled by the HOD, Professor Sushma Nagpal. Can I request you to stand up and please welcome her? And Electronics and Communication Department is being handled by Professor Dharmender Upadhyay. Let's welcome him. And from my department, from Computer Science Department, we have two more faculty members sitting here. Professor Shampa Chakravarti, she is here. Professor Ritu Sibal is there. She is also professor in Computer Science Department. And Electronics Department, we have Professor Tarun, who has spoken. He's Associate Dean also. So we run this faculty also take care of all other courses and run minor for other branches like electrical, mechanical, civil, and all other branches are being supported. There are a lot of courses which computer science, engineering, as well as electronics and engineering take care. So whenever you need any, there are several courses which are taken care by this. So without spending much more time, again, I welcome you here in NSUT, and I request Professor Sushma Nagpal to say a few words about the department. We have today mathematics and computing branch students. I think they are sitting in APJ 5 or 6. So I request Professor Sushma Nagpal.
Thank you. So, Namaskar. A very good morning to each one present on the dais and in front of me, parents, students. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all, the bright and enthusiastic first-year students of Computer Science and Engineering in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, to this new chapter of your academic journey. I am told that today we are having students from mathematical and computing branch and other students also. But as you know that in today's world, in digital era, the field computer science and engineering plays a vital role, right? So you are from any branch, you are from any stream, you are given the full opportunity to learn computer science and engineering. As you step into the paths of the digital age, in the coming years, you will not only learn how to write code, build software, but also explore cutting-edge technologies that you have often heard in real world, like artificial intelligence, machine learning, cyber security, cloud computing, data science, Internet of Things, blockchain. These are not the buzzwords. You must be hearing these words quite often in newspapers, in social media. These are rather the backbone of modern, industry. For example, agriculture, healthcare, entertainment, transportation, drug discovery, and many more. Means you are in any field of your academic journey, you will be exposed to these particular technologies. So on behalf of Computer Science and Engineering Department, I welcome you all to your orientation ceremony, which is being held at NSUT in this complex. So this is brief about the department. So the vision of the department is to achieve excellence in education, research, technology transfer in the domain of computer engineering with the highest standard of professional ethics. And these are certain mission statements which are there to achieve the mission which is laid down by the department. So we have, in computer science and engineering, we have about 23 faculty members, and more than 2,200 students are studying BTech program in different specialization in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. We have total of 60 MTech students and more than 80 PhD scholars who are working in different domains of computer science and engineering, and supporting staff SIF who will be helping you in day-to-day activities and your lab activities. So this is the brief detail about the faculty members who are currently working at different positions in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So as you can see that these faculty members are working in diverse domain of computer science and engineering, right? So you can see that whatever latest technologies are being, there in the industry, our faculty member are doing work in that particular area. So we have data science, machine learning, agile software development, mobile computing, artificial intelligence, then networks, then big data, almost every field of today's industry. So this is just a brief about the faculty members. And if you see that our faculty members are continuously working towards the development of the department. For example, the faculty member is actively involved in publication of various papers in journals, conferences, book chapters, and they are not only attending the workshops outside NSUT, but they are also organizing FDP workshop for capacity building in the department. Then patents have also been published by our faculty members. Some are under process and some have been granted. So this is the lab infrastructure in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. We have state-of-the-art laboratories in the department. Then we have smart classrooms, digitally equipped seminar rooms, which can be used by the students. So this is a certain glance of the labs, how we are having the labs in the department. Then it is a matter of pride that our faculty members are continuously receiving premier and commendable research awards. Each and every faculty member is receiving that award. And one of the faculty member, Dr. Gitanjali, who has been 2-time listed in top 2% scientists boosted by Stanford University. So Stanford University release the list every year, and she is the one who has been given this position 2 times continuously. So we strongly believe that the institute cannot achieve great heights if the students are not contributing towards the development of the university. So at NSUT also students are participating in various activities and bringing laurels to the institute. They are participating in various hackathons and competitions, winning those competitions. They have been contributing towards publishing papers under the mentorship of faculty members in journals as well as conferences. Number of students have been placed in good companies. Students at NSUT are getting placement, are placed in higher education, not only in India and abroad. You name any great institution, IIMs hai, IITs hai, foreign institution hai, you will find NSUT students there. So we have a very strong community in industry as well as in academic in India and abroad. The students are also participating in cultural activities also for their holistic development. So these are the few publications which are published this year by the students under the mentorship of faculty members. So apart from this, we are having a mentor-mentee scheme where we provide the hand-holding of the students with the teacher so that they can guide them throughout their academic journey. So for that purpose, in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, we have Dr. Rudresh Dwivedi, who is overall department coordinator, to look after these kind of activities. So senior students and the faculty members will be assigned the task of mentoring of the first year students. So you can contact Dr. Rudresh Dwivedi anytime. If here we are having the students of computer science and engineering, because different department has different faculty coordinators. Since I'm told that mathematics and computing students are there today, so that is why this information has been provided. So this is certain, pictures about the faculty member and the events which have been taken place in the department. So I would suggest that you make most of the time here, attend your classes regularly. Regularly, as already emphasized by Professor Vijay Gupta, regularly means just don't sit in the classes, ask questions, participate in discussions, do the projects, join different clubs. We have cultural clubs, we have technical clubs, we have social clubs, and most importantly, collaborate to learn. This is a time to explore, innovate, and make the most of every opportunity. And we, faculty member of these institutions, are here to support in every aspect of your life. So wishing you all the best for a successful and fulfilling academic life ahead. Thank you.
IT डिपार्टमेंट का भी थोड़ा सा Thank you, ma'am, for showcasing how CSE department cultivates innovation in technology. As a faculty member of Electronics and Communication Engineering department, I'm especially happy to invite our respected head, Professor Dharmendra Kumar Upadhyay, sir, to present an overview of the department's academic and research initiatives.
Thank you. First of all, good morning to everyone. And first of all, congratulations to all the students who got the admission in our premier institute or university, Netaji Subhash University of Technology. And as warm welcome to all the students of our university, as our Vice Chancellor sir said, all the branches have the equal opportunity. And you can also see all branches are required for any engineering system or for the design any engineering system or any engineering applications. So all have the equal opportunity. Either you will go for the CSE or you have to go for the biological science, biotechnology. So there is, and all branches required to design any engineering system or any application. So all have equal opportunity. I am representing the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering as the head of the department of that, as HOD. So just a brief overview, you can say, about the history of our department. Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, it is the first department of this university, or you can say the institute, that is in the 1983. This is the first department. So I can say that there is a sparking history of 40 years. Department has been known for the exceptionally known as the undergraduate, postgraduate, and for the research programs. EC department provides a wide perspective in the field of electronics and communication and allows the student to decide his or her future directions. Provides graduates with a strong foundation in mathematics, science, and engineering fundamentals to enable them to devise and deliver efficient solutions for the challenging problems in electronics, communications, and allied disciplines. And the vision of the EC department to develop innovative, creative, and we can say ethical electronics and communication engineers for the industry and society through excellence in technical education and research. These are our mission of the department, to provide creative learning environment to the student, for excellence learning in technical education, fostering culture of innovation and research in the field of electronics and communication engineering, imbibe self-learning attitude, entrepreneurial skills, and professional ethics to prepare students to face the challenges related to the emerging technology in the area of electronics and communication engineering. Courses offered by the Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, one of the ways that is in the 1983 first branch that Electronics and Communication Engineering started, but now the intake of this course is the 216 as an intake. And recently, Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology with the 72 intake. We have the MTech in Signal Processing, 30 students, MTech Embedded System at VLSI Design with the 30 intake, MTech Wireless Communication with the 30 intake. We have also offered the PhD program in our department. So department has highly qualified faculty with research experience in teaching and research. Currently, we have the 28 faculty members with 9 regular professors, 4 associate professors, 13 assistant professors, 1 honorary professor, and 1 professor of practice. Many faculty members are already involved in the university administration. Currently, we have the 45 research scholars in the EC department. And the faculty members have published more than the 15 books in the international publication, maximum in the international publication also. And this is the recent 2 patents have been granted during the last 1 year by the EC department. The faculty has published more than 1,000 peer-reviewed publications, research publication in the journal or conferences in the last 5 years. And this is the main thing, you can see 10 PhD theses have been submitted or awarded during the last 1 year in the EC department. 10 PhD theses. Faculty of the EC department, 9 regular professor to 1 of the honorary professor. Maximum professor have the more than 30-year experience, more than 30 years. 1 honorary professor have the more than 40-year experience. Professor Raj Senani, his EC department is known for his name, Professor Raj Senani. So first of all, by Professor Dharmendra Kumar Upadhyay, myself, these are my research area, digital signal processing, microwave filters, and antenna designs. Professor Harish Parsarthi, all are the faculty are the PhD holders. So digital signal processing, filtering theory, quantum signal processing. So these are the Professor Manisha Gupta with the area of interest written over here, Professor S.P. Singh, Sujata Sengar, Professor Parul Garg, Professor Josna Singh, and Professor R.S. Yadvanshi, Professor Tarun Kumar Rawat. We have our department of the 4 associate professors, Dr. Dhananjay Gadre, Dr. Bhavna Agrawal, Dr. Satyaprakash Singh, Dr. Kuwar Singh, and the 13 assistant professors. All are the regular assistant professors. Urvasi Bansal, Sailesh Misra, Sweta Gautam, Dr. Amit Singhal, Ankit Garg, Dr. Neeraj Goyal, Dr. Sukhveer Singh, Dr. Rituraj Singh, Dr. Sania Anis, Dr. Umar Asraf, Dr. Ratnesh, and Dr. Sandeep Singh Chauhan, Dr. Naveen Jaglan. We have the one already said, more than 40-year research experience as a teaching experience, Professor Raj Senani. EC department is known for the Professor Raj Senani. And the one recently joined, Professor Anidam Chakravarti, Professor of Practice in our EC department. These are the faculty members for the first year students. There are 3 sections for the EC department. One for section 1, Professor Rajveer Yadvanshi and Dr. Ratnesh. For section 2, Dr. Satyaprakash Singh, Dr. Naveen Jaglan, and for EVDT, Dr. Kumar Singh, Dr. Sandeep Singh Chauhan. EC department has the 19 laboratories specialized, or you can say the research center or the center of excellence. One major laboratories are the telemetry and computer communication lab, digital electronics, VLSI design laboratory, communication engineering lab, advanced communication engineering lab, microwave engineering, microprocessor lab, digital signal processing, circuit simulation, electronics lab. There are 2 labs for the electronics, electronic design workshop, and there are the 6 major research areas in the electronics and communication engineering department. One is the analog signal processing and VLSI, quantum communication, digital image processing, you can say RF and microwave engineering, signal processing and machine learning, wireless and optical communication. These are the 6 major research areas of the EC department. Research facilities, there are 5 or 6 research center, research labs, one or two the center, we can say center of excellence, optical communication research lab, wireless communication research lab, electronics research laboratory, multimedia research lab, communication and signal processing, one of the center of excellence in 5G and IoT in the EC department. Research, we can see the research projects of the EC department either completed or the undergoing. In the last 5 years, EC department got completed or the undergoing more than 7 to 8 crore project. Dr. Amit Singhal, these are the PI for the project, research project, Dr. Amit Singhal, Dr. Ankit Garg, Dr. Sukhveer Singh, and the Professor Parul Garg, Professor Anand Srivastav. He has also the same branch, Electronics and Communication Engineering, our Vice Chancellor, sir, and the Professor Parul Garg. This is the FIST project for the EC department, and the Dr. Sailesh Misra, this is another project for the 1 crore. So the total amount of current in the last 5 years either completed research projects, that is 7 to 8 crore by the EC department. Last 5 years, the patents picture, 2 patents are recently granted for the EC department. One is the recently in the 2025 for Professor Rajveer Yandansi and Dr. Sailesh Misra. One in the 24, myself, and another in the 22, myself, and 2 are the under examination, already published patents. So these are the total histories of, we can say, the total strength of the EC department. Now we can say finally, best wishes for your NSUT journey for 4 years and also for the future for all the students. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would request a student volunteer to give token of regards to our esteemed faculty.
I would like to call, there is ex-student of NSUT sitting at the end. Please come. And the brother and sister, please come. Come forward. 2010. Please come. Please come this way.
It won't break your bones. Come fast.
So I want to take from both. Brother and sister. Let's give a big round of applause. So brother and sister, which just
Thank you, sir. I would like, I would like to invite Professor Bhatia, sir, who's also our training and placement coordinator.
रोल नंबर क्या है तुम्हारा जल्दी बोलो
2022 UCS 173
और
ज़्यादा पब्लिसिटी
60 लाख का तो बताओ है ना Good morning, everybody. Again, I have just 1 or 2 minutes to say about the placement. We have a campus placement activities for all the branches, starting from computer science till biotechnology plus civil and environmental. Almost everybody, approximately 80% students get placed on the campus. Rest go for higher studies, and even they go for entrepreneurship and all that. So these are the 3 sectors in which, so we offer 6 months intern for BTech student and MTech 1-year internship. So these are the core areas in which most of the students get intern. It is core, non-tech or tech, right? So these are the companies which comes on the visit. We have approximately 300 plus companies which visit the campus. For all the core branches, electrical, mechanical, civil, civil, biotechnology, and other, almost all, even computer science and other electronics people sit for consulting companies as well as core companies and tech companies. So I see that people from almost every branches are eligible to sit in the bigger companies, maybe Google, Microsoft, and other, they sit and then they get placed in these companies. And in consulting, most of the consulting companies, they don't look for the branch, underneath branch, right? So what they look for is, they look for your, how you have performed throughout the 4 years. Once you have performed throughout the 4 years, then you are able to get a place in any of the good consulting company. It may be Bain, it may be PwC, it may be KPMG, or any of these companies. About PSUs, let us assume you are from electrical engineering or mechanical engineering or maybe any other core branch like instrumentation and control engineering. You want to sit for a core branch, core company, PSUs. So in these PSUs, they come on the campus. There are 2 ways in PSUs recruit. The PSUs recruit through GATE. On the campus also we get the PSUs, and they do the interviews. In interview board, one of the professor also sits from the campus. Let us assume it is BALE, it is BHEL coming, or ONGC or GALE coming on the campus. One of the professor from electrical engineering will be sitting on the board, and rest you will be appearing only in the interview. There will be no written test and all that. And there is reservation also in the campus placement when the PSUs come. SC, ST, OBC, and all these PH categories, they have a reservation also. But only one condition is that you have to have prerequisite of percentages. It may be 6 CGPA or maybe 7 CGPA, whatever is the requirement, with no backlogs. There was a company which came issue, right? Can you come on the stage? अपना नाम, रोल नंबर बताओ.
Hi everyone, I'm Himanshi. My roll number is 2022 UCS 1732.
She is just gone to the final year?
Yes.
है ना? इसका पैकेज कितना होगा? Just assume. She has got a package, she will not tell. Any guess? She is not into Google, Microsoft. She is into one of the companies which is listed out here. कितना होगा? Any guess, please? I'm not going to give any gift here, but please guess quickly. No faculty member, please. Huh? 12 lakhs, 13 lakhs. Huh? कितना? 40 lakhs. Okay. Any more guess, please? मैं Microsoft, Google, no outside company, only the Indian. 24 lakhs. Quickly. अब gift बनते हैं. So it is 60 lakhs. Let's clap for her. तो उसको divide कर लीजिए per month कितना होगा, है ना? Right? So she has got a package in Meesho for approximately 60 lakh. Thank you. So there are people, lot of people like her who get a package of a similar kind. So I wish you all the best. Campus placement is one of the activities, but there are a lot of other activities on the campus. With these words, I wish you all the best and best for next 4 years, and we'll have a more connect branch-wise also. Thank you. Thank you, Professor Shimpa.
Thank you, sir. I would like to invite now Professor Smriti Srivastava, ma'am, Dean Faculty of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering, to welcome the students and introduce the department heads under FEME. I'll just invite the department heads also then. The department heads. I will introduce. To the dais also. Also, I would like to invite the department heads, Professor Rajneesh Sharma sir, Professor S.K. Jha sir, to come and please take your seat at the dais.
इलेक्ट्रिकल लगा दो पहले, मैं ही बोल कर ख़त्म ना, बहुत देर से वेट कर रहे हैं हम. हमारा पहले कराना चाहिए था यार तुम लोगों को. क्योंकि ये 8 बच्चे इलेक्ट्रिकल मैकेनिकल के हैं ना, इसलिए ये तो अभी इसको स्टार्ट करते हैं. Good morning, everyone. I am talking about the Department of Faculty of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering. So, the Department of Electrical Engineering, the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Department of Instrumentation and Control Engineering, and Department of Mechanical Engineering, Electric Vehicle West Campus. This comes under Faculty of Electrical and Mechanical Engineering. So, now this is Professor S.K. Jha. I would like to introduce Professor S.K. Jha, who is Head Mechanical Engineering Department. He is Head Mechanical Engineering. I am heading Electrical Engineering Department. And Dr. Rajneesh Sharma was sitting here, but I don't know, he has gone for something. So, Dr. Rajneesh Sharma is, Professor Rajneesh Sharma is Head Instrumentation and Control Engineering. Without taking much time, I would just tell you a brief about Electrical Engineering Department. Electrical Engineering Department was established in 2019. It's a very recent department, but since it actually collaborates with all the time Instrumentation and Control Engineering Department, which was established way back in 1987. So there are lots of laboratories which are common between Instrumentation and Control Engineering and Electrical Engineering. So as in a way we can say that it's not very new. And the programs which we offer in electrical engineering are BTech in electrical engineering, MTech in power and energy systems, and PhD. So we have around 25 PhD students, and every faculty member has a lot of students who are working under them. I encourage you people also, because today I guess there are lots of electrical and mechanical and instrumentation and control engineering students. So I urge you to take part in departmental activities, faculty activities, and then collaborate with faculties and do some good research, right? Then these are the focus areas in electrical engineering department: power systems, smart grids, electric vehicles, which is a buzzword in the industry, electric vehicle. Then renewable energy, robotics, and intelligent control. Then there is a lot of emphasis on research, innovation, and industry collaborations. Vision and mission you can see from the website. Now I'll introduce you to some of my faculty members here. So myself is Professor Smriti, then Professor Prerna Gaud is not there. She is Director West Campus. Then Dr. Ravinder Singh, Dr. VSKV Harish, and Dr. Ankit, Dr. Anjani. Every faculty is working in different areas. So you can pick and choose your areas and start working right from 4th semester onwards. And you will come out with very good projects, very good research papers, etc., which will be helpful in your long run. Now I would like to introduce my faculty members who will be your mentors. So please, Dr. Ravinder Singh, Dr. Ankit, and Dr. Astitva, please. They are the faculty members for electrical. These are the faculty mentors for electrical engineering department. You can contact these 3 people anytime. Anytime if you are in any difficulty. They are looking after the departmental timetable also. One of them is departmental timetable coordinator. So you can always contact these faculty members and they are of great help to you. This is regarding electrical engineering. These are the laboratories, some of the laboratories. Basic Electrical Engineering Lab, which is common to all the departments of the university. Then a Renewable Energy Resource Lab. Then we have Power System Simulation Lab. Then we have Switchgear and Protection Lab, Power Systems Lab, Power Electronics Lab. These all courses you will be studying in your various semesters during your 4-year tenure. Okay, most of these laboratories are core course based, which you have to do in one or the other semester, core courses. Electrical Machines Lab. This is all about electrical department. We have, I actually urge all the students to collaborate with faculty, to come to contact with our faculty members, talk about their research areas, go on the website, see their research areas, see in what areas they are working, and try to connect with them. Okay? Thank you very much. And wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am, for introducing the departments and letting us know about the facilities of electrical department. I would now like to welcome Professor S.K. Jha, sir, Head Mechanical Engineering Department, to speak about the department's academic and practical learning.
Heavy है नहीं? ये up down ये. Okay. Namaskar everyone. Present over here. Most importantly, newly admitted students. I, on behalf of Mechanical Engineering Department, welcome you all to our department. Today is not just the beginning of your academic program, it is the beginning of a journey that will challenge your intellect, sharpen your skills, and shape your professional identity. You are stepping into one of the most foundational disciplines. Try to remember, because mechanical engineering is considered to be mother of all engineering, because I must market my branch, my department, mother of all engineering streams, mechanical engineering. Okay, it is the journey in our department that will challenge your intellect, sharpen your skills, and shape your professional identity. You are stepping into this department, the very force that has driven industrial revolutions and built the modern world, from locomotives to launch vehicles, turbines to robots. We move the world forward. Yes, we can say like that. And now you are a part of this legacy. You can see in this presentation history of the department. It was established in the year 95-96 academic year with the name Manufacturing Processes and Automation Engineering. And this university was that time like DIT, Delhi Institute of Technology. It started with the intake of 20 students, and you can see the gradual growth, 45 during the 98, 99, and so forth. Today we are having our mechanical engineering department, we are having 3 sections. Each section consists of 75 students. These are the MTech program in Mechanical Engineering Department, MTech in CAD/CAM, Computer-Aided Design and Computer-Aided Manufacturing. The intake in MTech is 30 and 18 in CAD/CAM. So, next you can see PhD program. The department offers PhD programs in a specialized area such as robotics and artificial intelligence, advanced machining methods, thermal and fluid engineering, composites, industrial engineering and supply chain management, with modern labs, simulation tools, and strong industry collaboration. The department promotes cutting-edge research and academic excellence. We offer PhD programs of two types, teaching cum research fellowship and university research fellowship. Other than university fellowship, UGC AICTE sponsored self-financing students are also admitted. Department of Mechanical Engineering, this is the amount of stipend offered to the teaching cum research fellows. Faculties in the department, we have 23 regular faculties in the department. That includes 5 professors, amongst which one is on Lien. He is presently Vice Chancellor of another university, 6 associate professors and 12 assistant professors. Laboratories, we have around 17 laboratories in the key areas, in the key field, and some of them are in conventional laboratories also. For instance, robotics and AI, computational lab, CAD-CAM lab, material testing lab, fluid mechanics lab, the fluid mechanics lab, machines lab, welding lab, theory of machines lab, metrology and quality control lab, and central workshop, amongst others. These facilities ensure that students gain strong technical skills aligned with industry need. So, training and placement, as Professor Bhatia Sahab has said, he is looking after training and placement. Our training and our placement is also pretty good. This is shown over here. And this data I got from T&P department itself. You can see over here. In the year 24-25, 91 students placed out of 158, eligible students 72.5. So these are the data with regard to placement. Now, what I would like to say that getting here is commendable. Staying here will demand vision, discipline, and commitment. Mechanical engineering is not just a subject, it's a mindset. It's the art of shaping reality with logic, creativity, and precision. Let us draw strength from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, in whose honor this university is named. He once said, "Give me trained youth and I will build a nation." You are that youth, you are that youth, you are the builders of new India, powered by ethics, ideas, and engineering excellence. Now, as far as it has been told by academic section, Dean Academic, it must have been told by Dean Students Welfare, and I would like to reiterate with regard to Mechanical Engineering Department, which is ground rules that must be carefully understood by all of you. Discipline is non-negotiable. Freedom thrives only within respect, honesty, and decorum. Attendance is mandatory. Please don't come with your shortage of attendance कि sir please sign कर दीजिए, sir please forward कर दीजिए मेरा application. No way. And this I would like to request to parents as well, so that they could encourage their student to attend the class regularly, because attendance is mandatory. 75% is not a rule, it's a reflection of your seriousness towards the curriculum. Engage in labs, assignments, and activities. These are your proving grounds. Let me now enjoy moment of engineering humor. To the optimist, the glass is half full. To the pessimist, it's half empty. But to a mechanical engineer, it's twice as big as it needs to be. So, such a precision. Now, to the respected parents, thank you for your trust. Your children are in hands of mentors committed to their growth. To our new students, stay curious, stay committed, be proud of what you build, for someday the world may rely on you. Let me close with these lines, a tribute to the engineer's spirit and India's future. हम मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर हैं, हम नवसृजन हैं, हम समस्या के समाधान हैं. पुर्जों में ढूंढते सपने, संघर्षों में सम्मान हैं. नापते हैं आकाश को धरती से संवाद लिए, कभी बनाते पुल जीवन के, कभी बिखेरे प्रकाश लिए. चलो बनाएं ऐसा भारत जहां यंत्रों में आत्मा हो, ज्ञान कर्म और नवाचार से हर मुश्किल पर विजय हमारी हो. Thank you, and once again, welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering. Let us build the future together. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. As Professor A.K. Dubey sir and Professor Vijay Gupta sir are unavailable, I would like to invite Dr. Akhilesh Dubey to introduce Biotechnology Department.
On behalf of Biological Sciences and Engineering Department, I congratulate all the students who have got admission.
I'll just come along with the token, then you can I would like to request a student volunteer to come and give token of regards to Smriti Srivastava ma'am and sir. A student volunteer. Token of regard. Ma'am. सबको बोलेंगे जल्दी.
फिर से आ जाएगा ना? Hi, once again I want to snatch some time. Do you hear music? Isn't it very appealing? Yeah, the nature's music. So let's calm down. थोड़ा उससे serenity आएगी. Now I wanted to say just one thing, and that is, you parents are a latent source of energy for us. There's a lot of scope. And as stakeholders, we would like you also to contribute to the university community. So we have issued a form, a Google form, which is there on our website, It's rolling here. Pehle aayega. It'll come just now. हाँ अभी होने दो पूरा बाहर जाएगा फिर ही आएगा. Yeah, here it is. Form for parents' contribution. Do you see this? This is a form, Google form, and those of you parents who are interested in contributing in some proactive manner, in a constructive manner to the university's endeavors. You may be a doctor, a psychologist, an engineer, an industrialist, a businessman, in whatever capacity, even housewives, please don't underestimate. So anybody, a housewife is the biggest profession in the world. So kindly fill up the form, and if in any way you can contribute, we'll be more than welcome. You're more than welcome, for us to be able to channelize that latent energy. All right? So kindly you can fill up this form, and we will see how to. Only one word of caution. Please remember that this won't be a forum for forwarding your ward's case or complaining. It's only constructive contribution that we are looking forward to, because we realize that you're a huge source of latent energy which can help our university progress. Okay. In the morning session, we are having all the academic departments. In the afternoon, there'll be various co-curricular and other kinds of activities, and there'll be a lot of fun also. We will stage some plays from our street play, some stage play, some animation. So we'll have lots of fun in the afternoon after you energize yourself. But as of now, there are 3 more faculties which are remaining. We'll try to wind it off as soon as possible. I know you're all hungry. So please be here.
So I congratulate and welcome all the biotech first year students that have joined this esteemed institute. As earlier told by Professor Sonika Bhatnagar, that we will have a detailed orientation in our department itself. I will just go through the basics that you need to understand for our department. I will introduce the department along with the faculty members over here. So as we all know, in the post-pandemic area, we all know the importance of the biological scientist. We have seen the mRNA vaccines that have come. We know the importance of the renewable energy. So our department, which is mostly focused upon innovations in healthcare, agriculture, and environment technology, the department offers all undergraduate, postgraduate, as well as doctoral programs. In the undergraduate, we have BTech in biotechnology with over 60 seats, MTech in bioinformatics, and PhD in different specialization areas. The department, in lieu with the government's call, as we know that there has been a major impetus in biotechnology related research with Bio E3 and Bio AI policy, the department has in past few years worked upon funded projects of over rupees 2.5 crores. The graduates or the students in our department are mostly research oriented, working upon different innovations to give sustainable solutions to the problems that are being faced by healthcare, agriculture, and environment industry. Graduates have mostly gone into various reputed institutions in our country as well as abroad. To name a few like them is IIMs, FMS, IIT, IIS, CTFR, ICT Mumbai, and among the abroad ones is the Yale, UPenn, Columbia, Georgia Tech, Boston University, University of Queensland, Northeastern, and VU Amsterdam. As I told you that mostly we are involved in innovating solutions, bringing innovative solutions towards the sustainable towards the problems in a sustainable way. A lot of startups have been started from our department, which include Alvador in IoT hydroponics, Wings, Smart Socks, That's Me, psychometric networking, micro labs and biosensors, Wings, and Neem Tree agrotech solutions. Coming to the faculty members, the department is headed by Professor A.K. Dubey, who is also the Dean of FEME and FICT, FIS Department, Faculty of Interdisciplinary Sciences. Biological Sciences and Engineering is the only department as of now in the interdisciplinary sciences. Professor A.K. Dubey heads the lab of Drug Discovery Laboratory with a major research in areas in development of antimicrobials, antibacterial, antifungal agents. He has over 40 research papers, over 3 patents, he has been awarded Distinguished Visiting Scientist Award, ISRO Australia, and Erasmus Plus Teaching Mobility Award at University of Nottingham, UK. Next, you have already been introduced to the Dean of Faculty of Sciences, Professor Sonika Bhatnagar, who is also the professor in our department. Her major area is infectious and lifestyle diseases, especially in cardiovascular diseases and multivariate bacterial stress response. With over 40 research papers and award of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan Distinguished Professor of Biotechnology Award by IMRF in 2021. She also heads the Computational and Structural Biology Laboratory, leading to innovations regarding in bioinformatics and computational biology area. He has got the postdoctoral fellowship from Pennsylvania, University of Pennsylvania, PhD from ICGB and GNU, major research interest in host pathogen interaction with notable achievements as he's a Fulbright Fellow with over 40 publications, 2 patents and multiple research grants amounting over 1.2 crores. Next is Dr. Shilpa Sharma. She is our nanotechnology expert, takes care of the biochemistry and enzyme laboratory. Notable achievements, over 20 research papers in joining over here, and has been awarded Shri Vinayak M. Deshpande Young Scientist Award from Indian Chitin and Chitosan Society in 2019. Next, myself, I am taking care of the Center of Excellence in Hydroponics Technology as well as the Departmental Instrumentation Lab. My major research area is in cell culture, be it both microbial plant or animal cell culture. Next is Dr. Yatendra Kumar, who is present over here. Sir, if you can. So Dr. Yatendra Kumar, who has obtained his PhD from CCMB Hyderabad and has done his postdoc from Max Planck University, Germany. He has a specialization in cellular and molecular biology with a special emphasis on molecular diagnostics and vaccine discovery. With notable achievements, over 20 research papers and early career research award from SERB. He is also the lab in charge of the major teaching laboratories of our department, Biosciences and Bioengineering Laboratory. Next is Ms. Akanksha Kulshrestha. She is also doing PhD from over here and has the expertise in omics technology, basically genomics, transcriptomics, and molecular biology. Has been awarded with Commendable and Premier Research Award over here, and is a member of Association of Microbiologists India. Next is our Mr. Ajay Kumar Kataria. If you can please stand up. So Ajay Kumar Kataria, he has done his MTech from IIT Guwahati and is our expert in algal biotechnology over here with expertise in biochemical engineering and environment biotechnology. He has several papers over in high impact journals and have received Commendable Research Award and Best Presentation Award at CBS 2023. Some of our latest additions which have joined our department recently, Dr. Saurabh Samachiwal, 2016 alumni of our own department. He has done his PhD from IIT Delhi and has expertise in algal technology, industrial and domestic effluent treatment, wastewater treatment with over 15 research papers and has been awarded with Best Translational Research Award during Global Bio India 2024. Has been awarded Young Scientist Award from Microbiologist Society and has also got Best PhD Thesis Award from IIT Delhi. Last but not the least, Ms. Dr. Shweta Tripathi, who has joined our department, has done a PhD from IIT Roorkee. Major research area is algal biotechnology, bioremediation, and biofuels. The notable achievement include that she has over 25 peer-reviewed publications. She is NDST Inspire Faculty Fellow. She has got MK Bhan Fellowship and has received both gold medal in BTech and MTech level. The students, as I told, that they are mostly working in the area of research and innovation, but all the students have got placements in major non-tech as well as different tech industries as well. So these are the list of the placements where the students have gone. Thank you. We are all there. Whatever you need, if you come to us, we will keep guiding you and nurturing you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we move to the world of business and management. I invite Professor O.P. Thakur, sir, Dean, Faculty of Management Studies, to extend his welcome and introduce the departments. I would also like to invite Dr. Naval Garg, sir, Head Department of Management Studies, to take the seat at the dais.
Good morning to one and all present here. I, Professor Om Prakash Thakur, Dean, Faculty of Management Studies, welcome you all, the newly admitted students and their proud parents, and wish you for your pleasant stay at Netaji Subhash University of Technology. So, under the Faculty of Management Studies, there are two departments, Department of Management Studies and Department of IEB, Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture Development. And it is headed by Dr. Naval Garg, and he is a very good researcher, and he is among the top 2% scientists as announced by Stanford University. So, Dr. Naval Garg, very good researcher. In our department at present, we offer 5 programs: BBA Honors Program, MBA Program, BBA IB Program, and we also have integrated BBA MBA Program, 5-year program, and of course a PhD program. So we have, as of now, 12 regular faculty members, complemented by this visiting professors, Professor Emeritus, and Professor of Practice. They have expertise from the industry. So in the total strength of the students in our faculty is around 800. So all the faculties members and the research scholars are very much engaged in productive research. As of now, we have 35 research scholars, PhD students. And recently, in a couple of months, 3 PhD students have got their degree. So it is not only the management department. If we consider whole of the university, most of the faculty members are very much engaged in productive research and publishing the paper in high-class journal. So our university is providing conducive environment for learning. It is a vibrant system. We have a large number of smart classrooms. We have a well-developed, well-equipped lab. And we have also very good sports complex spreading in 144 acre of land at the heart of the Delhi. It is a green campus, completely green campus. And you will get a lot of opportunity to expose with, depending on your interest, motivation, where you want to go. If you consider education is not only to give the degree. In my opinion, the education is to develop a good human being, to develop a contributing citizen who can contribute in the development of the country. So this is very important. This is as per national education policy. So second aspect is you as a fresh student, you are the fresh brain. It is like a revolving electron around the nucleus. you have sufficient energy. So you should channel your energy towards the productive research. We in India is very short of innovative research. We have a large number of publications. We are fifth in the world. But if you consider the innovative research, we are very short. So as a fresh brand, I think you should participate in UG or PG projects, and you should visit or identify the problem faced by the society and find out their technological solution such that their standard of living get enhanced. That will be real contribution to the society, and your role is very, very important. This is my suggestion. And the students, you are coming from school environment to an entirely different environment, college environment. So certainly there is a lot of changes. So you have lot of freedom along with lot of responsibility. So kindly watch your every steps very carefully and enjoy this campus. It has been observed that the students are very much involved in electronic devices, particularly computer or laptop or these mobile phones. And they are so much engaged, so much addicted with the electronic devices. They don't have time for the society, no time for the family member, no time for the parents. So you should have some space for the parents, space for the family member, and space for the society apart from your academic engagement. This part is missing from our side. What I am taking is this is a general aspect we are observing. And at this point of time, we should think over the great Abdul Kalam. Winners are not those who never fails. Winners are not those who never fails, but those who never quit. This is very important for all of us. Okay, goes on moving, and you will get it. So this is my thinking on, and I am the faculty member. I have joined this organization in 1988. That time it was DIT, Delhi Institute of Technology, under Delhi administration at that time. Later on in 98, it is converted into an SIT, and in 2018, it is converted into NSUT. So this is now the data from the department that Dr. Naval Garg will deliver. And
Very good afternoon to all of you. I know you are listening to us for last 3 hours, so I keep it very short and simple. As Sir has already introduced that we have 2 departments, Department of Management Studies and Department of Innovation, Entrepreneurship and Venture Development. So under DMS, we offer 3 programs, traditional MBA, BBA, 4-year program and Doctor of Philosophy. Under DIEV, we again offer 3 programs. One is integrated 5-year BBA, MBA, IEV program, then 2-year MBA, IEV program and PhD in entrepreneurship. See, this department is specifically designed to promote startups and venture development. So we do have traditional lectures here, but more emphasis is on to promote the student to build up their own startup. So as an engineer, if you have some idea, you want to start your own venture, you are most welcome to come to our department, collaborate with our faculty and our students will definitely guide you to, cherish your dream. So teaching strategies we are using. So as a management student, I propose a management success mantra to you. We would like you to shine like a diamond. So I have given a full form of diamond. So just a small question from you people. Which aspect or which virtue is the most important among these 7? Is it dedication, integrity, aspiration, motivation, optimism, never give up, or discipline? Which is the backbone of this diamond? Never give up, discipline, integrity. See, you may be, very much dedicated, very much aspired, motivated. You may have never to die spirit, but integrity is the backbone. If I am not integral to my job, my country, everything else is futile and useless. Thank you. Welcome to the Premium Institute. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I would like to request a student volunteer to give a token of regard to our esteemed faculty. A student volunteer? Champagne. Thank you. I would like to invite now Professor Shampa Chakravarti Ma'am, Dean Faculty of Design, to extend her welcome and introduce the respective department heads.
So now I come before you in another role. Actually, I am professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, and I'm the Dean of Students' Welfare, which is a 360 degrees work actually, involving a lot of departments. But I'm also the Dean of Design, Faculty of Design. So very proud of that role, because this is the youngest member of the NSUT family. We started it in 2020, I believe. 20 में हमने शुरू किया था इसको. What does the name design evoke in you? We have talked a lot about engineering, and Professor S.K. Jha was really poetic about it. He actually composed a poetry on mechanical engineering. But what does the term, आपको design से किस चीज़ का एहसास होता है? Anybody? Wow, that's such a combination. iPhone and Taj Mahal. Do you realize that there is technology, beauty, and plus what? What does Taj Mahal stand for? Love, emotions. So this is a department that combines technology with art, creativity, and human emotions. And therefore, it's really, really not just interdisciplinary, it runs across society. No engineering is complete without design, and vice versa, of course. So it's a very interdisciplinary department, and I'm very proud of it. Under the leadership, very enthusiastic and capable leadership of Dr. Ritu Sibbal, it has made great strides in 4 years. I invite her now to kindly apprise you about it.
Very good afternoon to all the parents and the newly admitted students, and my lot of congratulations to all of you. So this department, as rightly pointed out by Professor Shampa, our Dean, is the newest and the youngest member of the NUSCD family. The department was conceived in 2020. So that is why I have, titled my slide as The Journey So Far. I'll discuss the accomplishments and the breakthroughs which we have been able to do for the last 4 years. But before I start with my slides, a few ideas and thoughts which have come into my mind with respect to design. So I was just jotting down some points while I was sitting and I was listening to Shampa ma'am also. So design is an interdisciplinary area, and we all know, as she was just discussing about Taj Mahal and iPhone, so it is the bedrock of all the products. So never think that as a designer, or if you are from other branches also, that design is an isolated branch. Design is omnipresent. It's present in everywhere. In any case, whether it's a tangible project or whether it's a non-tangible product. So earlier design was more limited to the aesthetics and beauty of the product. And nowadays design has, the concept of design has expanded to the software, services, website design. So now the next question which might come into the mind of some of the future designers is that what do we teach for design at NSUT? Actually, teaching design can have multiple perspectives. You can have a traditional view of design, but NSUT being a technologically university, so our perspective of teaching design is more oriented to give you a technological viewpoint of the design. Now, so we teach design courses along with the technology